Now, about studying at the old Catholic school, let me just say that it was a great experience to be at that school.
We didn't have carols. We had little tables, banquet tables from the chapel with tape, making four places, and that was our place where we could leave our books.
Everything was short. So if you went to the bathroom, wanted to comb your hair, you had to duck down in the mirror to see yourself, because it was designed for elementary school kids. So everything was short.
Rex Lee, who was a wonderful marketer, I mean, he could convince anyone of anything. He called the auditorium, which was this little auditorium that had stacks of books at the back, the Great Hall.
There was something to the old school that brought a certain solidarity to that first class. First, that we were all alone, and secondly, that we were in that building all together, all alone. Kind of being shipwrecked all together, something, huh?
Because it was so new and we didn't know if it would work out well, I think there was really a sense of community.
We lived across the street with a group of law students. So we had maybe 8 of the original charter class were in Americana 4. It was actually in many ways a very wonderful life for us. We developed really good friends in the apartment complex. The Ellises were there, and the Pools, and the Smiths, and the Niders. Quite a group of people were there with us.
Very little sense of competition, so if somebody got a job, everyone was thrilled because, hey, one of our classmates got a job, it is possible.
It just was an interesting, different place, and I think it made it more fun, you know, more out there in the wild kind of thing, you know. It was good.